This tutorial is going to go through completing data exercise 2, and you can see I'm already on the page in our Blackboard site. And I'm going to start by downloading the instructions and the GSS dataset. And if you click on those, they should begin downloading. Once they're downloaded, you can open them and review them. The first thing, the instructions, contains all the steps we need to complete the assignment. And the second thing, which is our data set, is in the GSS, that is in SPSS. I know it gets confusing sometimes that the software is called SPSS, but the data file is called the GSS. So we're going to analyze descriptive statistics frequencies. And I've already selected the variable here, but I'll put it back. The first thing we want to do in finding variables is to right-click in there and sort alphabetically. And what we're looking for is something called R is how tall. And so I'll go right to that. Okay, move it over, hit statistics, and then we're going to want the mean and standard deviation. And we don't want to display the frequency table. Okay, we'll click OK, and there's our results. I've done it twice, so I've got the same results here twice. And we'll make a note of the mean and the standard deviation because we'll be using those in the next step. In the next step, we're going to be making a variable. We're going to go to Transform, Compute Variable, and I've already got the information here, but I've typed height underscore normal. And over here, I've gone parentheses, height minus 67.27, close parentheses, divided by 4.055. And those numbers, 67 and 4, are from our results, our mean and our standard deviation. So I'll click OK. And I've already created it, so I'm overwriting it. And if we go back to our data set, and click on Variable View and scroll down to the bottom, we should see there height normal, and I'm going to label that height normal. And the next step will involve making a graph. And we're going to come up here to Graphs, Legacy Dialogues, go to Histogram, and I've already selected it. It should be down at the bottom. Just bring that over, and I do want to display the normal curve, and then we'll click OK. And there's our result, and I think that looks pretty normal, right? And you notice that the mean of this is now 0, so this is a standard normal version of height with standard deviation of 1. And our final step will be to generate some case summaries. So we're going to go to Analyze, Reports, Case Summaries, and I've already moved the one variable over. I'm going to sort it alphabetically because we also want to look at R is how tall for comparison, and we'll look at how values of the original variable compare to values of the standard normal version side by side. So we'll click OK. And there you have it. On this column where it says R is how tall, that's the height of the individual in inches. So 72 inches. On the normal curve, 1.17 is the score. If somebody is 60 inches, they're minus 1.79, almost 2 standard deviations below the mean. And you can go through and you can interpret those accordingly. Thanks for watching. Bye.